Hi, I'm Sophie and welcome to my world. And today I have an episode for you of Try It, Don't Buy It. And we are going to be taking a look at the Weirui Magnetic Cube. Now, a while ago, these were out on the market known as buckyballs, and they were super, super cool. And what they are is basically magnetic balls. Now, this is the Weirui Magnetic Cube, and you can see it comes in this cute little box here with this little foam insert where the box is, and that's how it came. And it came all stacked up like a little cube, but of course I've been playing with mine for a long time now. And as you can see, these are little tiny magnetic balls. Now these are 5 millimeter. Now they also make a smaller version, which is these 3 millimeter. I'm going to tell you something about the 3 millimeters. They're cute and all, but they're too small and they have a tendency to get lost. So I personally am not a big fan of the 3 millimeters, as you can see right there. But the 5 millimeters, these guys are so much fun to play with. I mean, they're even more fun than, say, a fidget spinner or a fidget cube. And you can build so many different things with them. Like one of the things that I do is I like turn them into bracelets. And I just have a blast, like kind of rubbing them around in my hand like this, just kind of squeezing them and stuff, and they change shape and stuff. And because they are magnetic, they just stay together really, really good. These are super strong. They're super good. Now, here's the thing. If you have small children, or if you have pets that have death wishes, you don't want these around because they are easily swallowed. And these are not candy, they are magnets. And you know, magnets in the internal body system do not work well. In fact, they can cause great danger to small children and to animals. So here's the thing, if you've got kids or you got pets, I would not recommend this. However, I am totally in love with this. And I'm gonna have a link to it below in my show notes. But here's the thing about this. When I ordered this, it actually took 6 weeks for it to arrive. And that's maybe because of this version, this brand of it, but it was well worth the 6-week wait, I have to tell you. So try it, don't buy it. On my side, I say buy it. It was $9.99 and it is worth every penny. I love this thing. So Weirui Magnetic Ball, try it, don't buy it. I say, buy it. For more fun stuff, come and check us out at Sophie-World.com. I'm so addicted to this thing. Okay, I'm going to make it into a bracelet now.